Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. We're taking a look at the UK100. So we have a potential div payout trade. If you have a look here, August the 12th, last payout. That was Friday. We go to the next day, the next trading day, so Monday the 15th today. So what we need to do is wait for the setup. Just be careful, Monday is not an easy day to trade. But, we'll just mark this up. We've got a bearish order block sitting right here. Now don't rush into this trade. You're going to find quite often on a Monday that market makers tend to, in most cases, push price in the opposite direction of their intended trade for the week. In other words, if they're looking to short this for the week, they tend to push it in the opposite direction on Monday to trap traders in, build liquidity. Let's just have a look at this quickly on the weekly. Okay, we have some higher time frame price gaps under here on the weekly. I'll mark that up and we'll call that week. That one was filled more or less. Okay, so we have this weekly price gap. Let's go down to the daily, see what we've got. Right, not so much on the daily, but yeah, this is definitely something we need to be mindful of. Okay, so we have a price gap under on the higher time frame. Monday, it's trading bullish to start with. Okay, a bit of a spike up. We'll just go down to the 4 hour now, mark up. Right, so we've got a 4 hour order block here, right where we're trading at the moment. So we'll pull that through, 4 hour OB. We've got a bullish trend, higher highs, higher lows. We're always looking for where there's a break of structure, break of market structure right here. Okay, so we broke this previous high, so we can mark that up as a BOS. So where we see the break of structure, where we have consecutive higher highs and higher lows, the order block is the last red candle. I'll just grab the body of this one prior to the impulsive move, and there must be an imbalance. So this is a bullish order block on the 4H. Spikes up. We have this price gap now. Okay, have a look at this candle here, left and right, the current day here. We're looking for the candle high left and where the candle low is on the right of this candle, right? So this is an imbalance. Those of you who are new, the key thing that we're looking for a trade opportunity is, one, the order block. In fact, we should pull it up, candle high and low. This is where smart money accumulates, back down here as well. There's this body of this candle is a consolidation or a range where if we go down to the lower time frame, actually we'll do that. I'll just mark that up. We have a balance of buy and sell orders. Okay, so we have this range through here. This is a balance area where we got these white candles here. At a 1 hour time frame, we'll just take that down to a 5 minute. So it's this range in through here, more or less through this section here where you see there's an even number of buy and sell. And then we get the breakout and it creates a bullish imbalance. There's more buy orders in the order book through here. Creates an imbalance and the market will look to rebalance, trade back down through. So we mark up this blue section here is the order block where smart money basically instigated this move. Okay, they manipulate the market, they create an opportunity, a liquidity opportunity. For example, this move down here took out a bunch of stops. Okay, so there's buyers in here. It trades down, it wipes out stops. It gives them sell-side liquidity, enabling them then to fill their quota to trade long. Trades through here and see what happens through this area here. Okay, we get a spike up, call it a fake out, so we get this fake out, entices buyers in, and then the shakeout, so they drop it back down into this liquidity pool. You know, when there's retail piling in here long, their stop losses are set up under here. So this is a final liquidity sweep prior to this move. So you want to keep an eye out where you see these balance areas and then the market starts to sweep liquidity above and below. There's the trade and they will look to unload. When it trades up into another key level now, we've marked up the 4 hour but I'm questioning whether this is where we get the opportunity, or does it push up into this daily order block here. Now just be a little bit careful with Monday. Have a look at, if you go into Discord, go into Smart Money, and if you scroll back, we talk about how Monday is generally worked by Smart Money. Where are we? Moves at the beginning of the week. For example, here you can see they entice shorts in, they trade it up and take out liquidity here, okay, and they're also trapping buyers in here as well. And then they trade it off, another liquidity sweep, and then they're off to the races. So just be careful. Monday is not a good day to be trading generally. With this particular trade opportunity here, watch out for the potential for this to spike back up into this range. I'd be watching that closely. Then again, it's traded into a 4-hour order block. It could even roll over here and we get a trade, but take it slow and steady, especially being Monday. What I'm going to be looking for then is on the 3 minute, something like that. This is a counter trend trade. We can set our alerts here and wait for the setup. So the kind of thing you want to wait for is just come back over here to Smart Money and study these last few snapshots. This one here on the 18th of the 5th. Have a close look at that. This one as well. And this is the kind of price action that we want to see, preferably up a little higher. I want to see them push this up. Now be careful. Wait for the opportunity. Anyway, I'll keep an eye on this during the day. Make sure you've got your alerts set. I'm just going to isolate this alert current symbol. Okay, I've got this set up on 5-minute reversal alert. This is a new alert that we're working on, by the way. Hope we'll have access to that, but we'll see how we go. The breakout alert on the 3 minutes. So both of these alerts are set, but don't forget to untick that. Okay, so you want all the alerts to fire. So the alerts are set, and it's just a matter now sitting back and just waiting for the opportunity to pop up in here. DP trade, everything about this is in here. There's a tutorial on this. They generally work out pretty well. It was the last one, and potential opportunity today. If you want to find out more about our DP trade and all the other wonderful stuff we have going on in our VIP, at the moment it's incredibly affordable. This is a unique opportunity. You can join Discord, the link is below, and then click on this link here. You can see our VIP trade signals history. The link here, go to my website tradingwithanthony.com. I've said this before, shout me a hamburger every month and gain access to incredible value before this changes. Okay guys, with that, hope you have a great day, and see you in the next video.